Sempre wintering retreat. Where do you go? Where do you winter? Skara. No choice. What's the name of the Amazon fucking rainforest? I can't believe how much. If you believe it or not, I've actually chopped some of this down. You can't even sink back anymore, so I don't know how I'm going to get down there. Be a fucking chainsaw or something. There's only spiky fucking things. Look at that. And do you know what they did at all? Do you know when you're kidding, you always get nettled. What the fuck is that? And I completely forgot what nettles were called. Like, what the fuck? I got stung by that. Because this says Amazon outdoor showering and washing facility. It's absolutely marvellous, I tell you what. It's great. See, if you went for it like that when I go back home, it was quite good here, actually. It's like you just fucking hid away, like, do you know what I mean? It's like in that little fucking hidden forest fucking thing, which is right down my street. So I'm not seeing these elusive kingfishers yet. God, that was like fucking down there. Yeah. Yeah, it's marvellous. Goodbye.